126 divided by 9. Here 9 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 9. 9 times 0, 0, 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. To find out the multiplication table of 9 easily, just add 9 with the previous step. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. So look, 9 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as our current dividend 1 is less than 9. 0 times 9, 0 times 9, 0. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down this digit. Now our current dividend is 12. 9 goes into 12 how many times? 2 times 18. So 1 time, right? 1. 1 times 9, 9. Subtract 3. Bring down this 6. Now 9 goes into 36 how many times? 9 goes into 36 4 time. Write 4. 4 times 9, 36. Subtract 0. So our quotient is 014, means 14, right? 14 is our quotient.